actually, it'd be a good time to bring in Don at this stage. I'd love to talk to you, Don, about AI in healthcare, specifically your flagship product of Life Whisperer from Presagen, and maybe you could briefly touch on the evolution of Life Whisperer. I'm not sure if you had to pivot, adapt, evolve from the original concept, and what kind of business model have you, in terms of from the original concept and what you wanted to do, how have you adapted and evolved?
I guess it's not really a pivot, but I guess we started with the concept of Life Whisperer to use AI for IVF, looking at images of embryos. And then I guess what happened is we kind of met, and I'll talk about this in the presentation, we had all these challenges along the way. And as we started to solve these really big challenges, that's how the platform, this Presagen platform kind of evolved and developed, that we thought, well, we can actually replicate, the building of Life Whisperer, we can actually build other healthcare products in addition to that. So rather than a pivot, it was more kind of an evolution that in solving one problem, we actually ended up developing a platform which can build a whole range of other healthcare products in addition to that. So, and in terms of the business model, we've tried, a few options. So, it's our customers are the clinics, but ultimately it's the patients that pay. So it's just trying to get the right balance. How do you reduce the barriers for clinics and get the patients to pay for it? So I'll talk a little bit about that in the presentation as well. How we deal with that payment.
So ultimately, you go from business to business and then to customer, through the
B2B to C. So,
okay, it's really smart. Well, maybe it's a great time actually to talk a little bit about AI in healthcare. So, our viewers would love to know what's been happening at Presagen and the launch of your product Life Whisperer. So, congratulations, by the way, of being able to roll out to multiple continents and the hard work from your team. We've been following your efforts since we met in Las Vegas at the health event, and congratulations to you and your team and to Dr. Michelle as well.